Part 2, it has checked filament position, cut filament, unloaded current filament. It says load new filament. That's what we're working on, and then it will flush out the old filament, it says. So this is loading the new filament here in position 1. And I'll be honest with you, I don't see it doing anything, but this is the first time I've been through this process, so I don't know exactly how this should be doing it. It is blinking though, so it shows something. Our temperature is up to the appropriate amount there, so it can start going through its process. And let's see. I don't see filament moving, and I see an error here, so I think we're gonna have to unload and start over. Yeah, I can't just pull that out. Filament unload failed at the tool head. Filament may have slipped or jammed inside. Okay, so let's retry that. All right. Well, I had hoped that this would be a simple part 2. We would see it load the filament and flush and do everything that it was supposed to, but apparently we have something not right with the filament feed in the tool head, and it seems like it's still trying to make that work. Oh, and there we got the error again. So we will confirm that we have an error, and let's come to 1. It won't let us unload. Let's see what happens. Oh, load, it wants to go through the whole process, and it is already at temperature, so I don't think this is going to be any more successful than the last one. Am I doing something wrong? If you know how the Centauri Carbon 2 works and you see me doing anything wrong here, please let me know, but we may have to try loading from a different one and see if that goes any better, since we have 2 spools up here of different colors. If you like our shorts, you're going to love our long form content. Please subscribe so you don't miss any of it, and check out our Guitar Deals group on Facebook. The link's in the bio.